Is it worth it to start dropshipping in 2019 for those who missed the surge? Is it still profitable in spite of high competition? What do you need to know about it from the beginning? Hello, I'm Anna from the Dropship Club project. I'm one of the dropshipping experts who are always ready to help everyone on their dropshipping journey. Some years back, the dropshipping business model was all the rage, and you are now wondering if dropshipping can still be used to make money in 2019. Let me answer all these questions. For those who already know the definition of dropshipping, we'll just give a quick reminder. Others can check out one of our previous videos with a more detailed explanation on the channel. Dropshipping is a transparent business model where you sell other suppliers' products in your online store without holding the inventory or shipping the ordered products. You start by creating your online store with some great products from the AliExpress platform and put your own prices on them to cover all your ad expenses and gain some profit. You can set your margins to whatever you like. When someone places an order on your website, you pay your vendors their product's original price. They pack and ship products to your client directly. Finally, you keep your real profit. The difference between the seller's price and your price less your expenses is yours. Well, every coin has two sides. The same is true for the dropshipping business model. Now we will take a quick look at the pros and cons. So, the pros of this model are no cost of inventory, because, as I told you before, you don't need to hold any products at your place. With the rise of dropshipping, you no longer need to build your own products. Suppliers like AliExpress provide tons of products you can choose from and sell online. Low barriers to entry. You don't need as much money to start as you would for any other type of business. Watch one of my videos on our YouTube channel about how much money you need to start dropshipping. Because of these points, there is very little risk. Even if your store makes no sales, you don't lose much. Not everyone knows a lot about marketing or has any experience with it. So, if you are unable to develop a unique selling proposition, marketing might be difficult at first, because essentially anyone can come along and sell the exact same product from the same supplier. Because of the low barrier to entry, there are many dropshipping businesses, and there are also such stores like Walmart or Target, which sell their products online. So a lot depends on your store appearance and product selection. You also have no control over fulfillment. If your supplier delays shipping, the customer will blame you for it. But we have a helpful video with tips on how to deal with angry customers on our channel. The margin you can make is based on the supplier's price and the price you sell the product. This leaves little room for error. As long as you set your own price for the products, you can control your margins. Just be wise with your marketing strategy. Is it worth starting a new dropshipping business in 2019? We know people who earn profits operating dropshipping stores. We also tend around 20 stores that generate high profits, especially during the holiday season. Dropshipping isn't going anywhere. It's a big business. If you suppose that it may be too saturated in 2019, then you can say that about any other retail business. Every business has competitors. Yes, it's fiercely competitive, but that doesn't mean you can't carve out your place in a niche by marketing effectively and providing value to your website visitors. So, my short answer to this question is yes. However, it is more challenging to work in this field due to the increased popularity and competition. It's not like you launch your store and get immediate sales. Nothing works like that. But there are plenty of success stories of people continuing to profit with dropshipping stores in recent years. Check the success stories section on our website for some inspiration. If you are ready to launch your online store as soon as possible, check this great solution for you. Our lead dropship team can build a ready-to-go dropshipping store for you just in several days. You skip the hassle and learning curve and hire professionals. Use our Dropship Club coupon CLUB20 to get 20% discount off your order. Overall, dropshipping is a great way to get started in e-commerce with low risk and low capital. Just look at these graphics from the Statista Analytics. Online sales volume of physical goods will reach $560 million in 2019. According to the data, there are always space for you to sell online. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for guidance and help anytime you get stuck. We are always ready to help you with your dropshipping business. See you!